Okay, and another little update on the case that I'm bringing against the Danish government in the European Court of Human Rights. So I've, I've alleged, but I'm only one guy, right? So, it's almost definitely true because the power of the nation state these days and the individual, it's quite extraordinary. So I've put the... I've mentioned in my previous post the violation of the various articles of the European Convention on Human Rights. The European Convention on Human Rights actually establishes the law, the court itself. So the treaty, in addition to the articles, also establishes the law court as a being, a legal entity which can hear these cases. And my case is also about a violation of rule of law and separation of power by Denmark. Now, these allegations, most people would believe that it is impossible for a European government to fail on rule of law and separation of power. And that's why I don't think a case like this has ever been brought to the Commission, to the European Court. But the court is, it was founded in '49 after the disastrous 2 world wars. Its legal basis is the Statute of Europe, which is the governments of Europe basically saying, okay, we've had enough of war in Europe. This is the instrument, together with the European Court of Justice, or the Court of Justice of the European Union, which is supposed to make law of war impossible in Europe. It goes back to the Treaty of Westphalia in 1940 something, which basically requires European countries to act according to rule of law, if you like. So it's a very serious case, but an important one, and I think you'll find, I'll speak more about why, that this rule of law actually fails more often than people might think in European countries. So it's an important case, and I'll keep you updated. But now I'm off to the European Court of Human Rights, and I'll show you what it's like there.